everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Erica with Confessions of a Homeschooler. Today we're going to be unboxing the April 2019 Quilty box. This is their classic box. They have a couple different boxes available, so I will put all of the information on where you can get Quilty box in the description box below. Today we're going to see what came in this month's box to help give you a better idea on whether or not this box may or may not be for you. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing in this month's box is the Bundles of Inspiration magazine, and they always list this as $10 of your purchase price of your box. And then this comes in the classic and in their mini. This one is approximately 39 pages, so it's a pretty good thick little magazine here. They've got patterns in here. They've got information on all of the products that you're getting. They also have information on the designers and things like that. It features featured artist designers, and so that's always kind of fun to read. This month's pattern, there's actually a couple in here. So there's this kind of mountain looking pattern. There's this kind of more simple, I don't even know what to call it. What's it called? Telescopic wall hanging. And then this is the featured pattern. This one is designed by Carol Friedlander, and she is also who has designed the fabric for this month's box as well. And this one looks like it's 32.5 by 32.5 finished size. There's going to be templates. This looks like a paper piecing pattern, so if you're into that, this box might be for you. If not, they're not all paper piecing patterns, so kind of get a variety in this one. And then a sneak peek of next month's, which is Janine Van Gool, it looks like. So that's a kind of a little sneak peek of what you can expect in next month's box. All right, so this, like I said, retails for $10 worth of value of your box, and so that is always in there. Okay, so the first thing in our box this month is this spray bottle, and this guy is actually a Find Mist sprayer, and we did try it out. It does work. It's got, hopefully you can see this kind of top on it with the little squeeze panel there. And it just says Fine Mist Spray Bottle. It's valuing at $15.95. It's a 10-ounce spray bottle, and it goes perfectly with the next product that I am about to show you. And that's kind of cool. I've never gotten one of those in my boxes before. Okay, so our next product is this Pineapple Grove Flatter, and it is valuing at $10. It's a 3-ounce bottle of flatter, which is a starch-free smoothing spray that relaxes wrinkles and freshens fabrics. And I actually use this same brand for washing my hand spun yarn, and I love the brand. It smells really good. This one smells very pineapple-y. I think I have this exact same wash actually for my yarn. So it smells really good and tropical fruity. So that's in there and perfect to pair with your little spray bottle here. And this does let out a really nice fine mist. I have used other spray bottles, ones I've just got at the store, and the mist isn't quite fine enough. It almost like shoots out too much of the starch spray. So I think this will be a really good addition to use with this. Okay, the next thing in our box is this AURIFIL thread. This is $67.26, retailing for $4.99, and this is just kind of a soft, I guess I would kind of call that an olive color. Hopefully it's showing up on screen okay for you. It's really, really nice, pretty, kind of a neutral, or maybe a sage green, kind of, yeah. So I always love getting these in my box. I put them over on my little thread wall over there, and then I have all the colors I need no matter what project I'm making. So, and AURIFIL is always my #1 favorite brand as well. Okay, so the next thing that I'm seeing in here are these little templates, and this is for the quilt that I showed you. And so they're just paper piecing templates, so you can make copies of them. So 2 of those pages in here, and it's really clear. It tells you exactly what fabric to use. So the lighter numbers are lighter fabric, and then these darker numbers, they tell you to use a darker fabric. So it's pretty user friendly. And then I did look inside of the magazine already, just because I'm not a huge paper piecer. You guys probably already know that, right? And they have very detailed instructions on how to do paper piecing in here for this. So they have illustrations and everything. I don't want to give away too much of what's in the book, but it looks like it's very easy to understand on what you need to do, how you need to lay your fabrics and cut them and all of that, so they'll work out. So I'm really excited that they put that kind of detail into this magazine, into the pattern in here. I think it'll be really helpful for you. All right, the last thing in this month's box is the HARRIOT Fabric Bundle by Robert Kaufman Fabrics. And this is retailing for $30. It's a mixture of hand-dyed wovens and screen print designs. Harriot celebrates neutrals and textures, and we know you'll love working with this assortment of wovens and quilting cottons. And this looks like it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different pieces, and it doesn't say how big they are, but this bottom one for sure feels like it's thicker. The other ones feel like they might be fat quarters if I had to guess. Anyways, those are the prints. I'll go ahead and take them out and show you. These are all nice and neutral prints. So here's the first one. It's just a black with these white kind of checks on it. Or what is that, plaid? I don't know. This one is a tan. It's a light tan, and I'm not sure if my camera's picking it up, but it does have light blue and then dark brown plaid stripes on it. Here is the next one. Let me open this up. Does it seem like a fat quarter? This looks like a fat quarter. Here's the next one, a little bit tighter one, still like kind of a tan and dark brown. This is definitely a more masculine bundle and wall hanging. It's kind of greens. Then they've got these lighter greens. This looks like one of my dad's old work shirts. And then they do have a couple of these. And this one, let me see if I can open it for you because it's not a solid. Here we go. You can kind of see there. It's got this scallop print on it. And this is bigger than a fat quarter. This looks like a half yard. Yeah, this one looks like it's a half yard. So here's the front, and then here's the back. Okay, so here they all are again, so you can kind of see them. All right, so that's everything that came in this month's box. I did forget to mention that 5% of the profits from the multi-month subscription plans support Quilts for Kids, which is really cool. And then shipping is free for all subscriptions within the United States, which is also nice. And then according to the prices they have here for us, this box has a value of $70.94. So that is everything that came in the April Quilty box. I'm not gonna lie, this is probably, I don't know, it's not my favorite box simply because I always look forward to the fabric and these aren't really my jive. So I don't know, I may end up giving these away to a friend or something, but at the same time, I'm also kind of excited to try this squirt bottle. We did try it with just water and it works really well. And I did need a new squirt bottle, so I'm kind of happy about that, but this, you know, for the price of the box, I probably could have just gone out and bought this. So this is probably not my #1 box that I've gotten. I definitely have liked some of their other boxes a little bit better, but maybe it's a little bit more up your alley, and I think it would definitely help if I like the fabric better. So maybe some of you guys out there, this might be a little bit more in your wheelhouse and you'll enjoy this box. Anyway, that is what came in the April 2019 Quilty box. Thanks so much for joining me for this unboxing video. If you like it, please make sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe. That way I know to keep making them for you. Thanks for joining me today, and I will see you next time.